everyone. We had an amazing day today at ABAM. We have James with us, who's joining us as an international faculty of special effects, editorial, theatre, and cinema makeup. He is one of the winners of Netflix Glow Up. So, this is something very exciting that we have brought to our city. We always believe in bringing international standards of teaching and training when it comes to ABAM. So, we are very delighted to welcome James as one of our faculty on board, and we are super excited to be hosting a class exclusively for our alumni. So we do not leave our students' hands. So we handheld them throughout their journey and also after the journey. So we had a class today with our students where James showed his techniques, shared all his secrets, and it was an amazing time.
Hello and hi. Thank you so much, Aliya. This has been an incredible experience. I visited India 3 years ago, and this is such an honor to be back again, to be part of the culture and to express my style of makeup for the Aliya Baig Academy. I think it was just an amazing mix of culture and industry experience. The alumni were incredible attendees today. I felt the energy was incredible. I'm super proud. This for me is an incredible moment that I would have only imagined when I was a child, and is a huge international opportunity after the Glow Up show aired in the pandemic. It's like the new industry opportunities post-pandemic. So I think this is an amazing start to a wonderful relationship with the Aliya Baig Academy, and I have to say thank you to my amazing model as well. And I'm really happy to show something a little bit more unconventional. I believe that today's makeup design is highlighting something that might not be necessarily obvious to the untrained eye. So I believe that I was showing a different side of makeup as a form of art, as much as it is a big standard of beauty within the industry. So I really have to say thank you so much, Aliya, for giving me this incredible opportunity to showcase and tell my story through beauty and makeup. And I think I've done my family and friends in the industry back in the UK and Ireland proud. And I hope that it will inspire other people out there, especially as a male doing makeup, that it is accepted worldwide, globally, and that it'll be a huge opportunity for any young Indian child, regardless of your gender or sex, that if you want to pursue this as a career, you can, because it has 100% changed my life. It is meant to be what my purpose is. And I hope that this is a beacon of light and hope for the next generation to come in the country and further across the world. So again, I'm very grateful that Aliya has given me that opportunity to be the light moving forward. So hopefully in generations to come, I would love to see a lot more male makeup artists in India and across the beauty industry. And I'm sure that I will have assistants after this traveling around the world.
So we do have a lot of students coming in from across the globe. So we have students flying in from Qatar, from Saudi, from Dubai, from Australia, and also from Canada in this batch. So we are always, open to having international exposure to our students. And with today's look, James tried to give a tribute to our Telangana's national bird, which is the blue ray. So that reflects in the makeup. So when I'm talking about SFX, editorial, special effects, cinema makeup, being in the Tollywood industry, I think the art flourishes somewhere in us and it is deeply rooted. And I think we need to have more and more talent coming out from Telangana rather than sourcing artists who work in movies, etc., from across the borders. So, it's a great platform, and we are here to help our students, handheld them, and take them to the journey of their future being a successful makeup artist. Thank you so much.